Hello students, today we will discuss significant figure topic for the physics in unit 1 class 11th, which is very important for any competitive exam like CTET, HTET, DSSB or JEE NEET, and also it is very important for the class 11th annual exam, right? So significant figure, first we read the rule to find out the significant figure. First rule is all non-zero digits are significant figure. All non-zero digits are significant figure. Let us we take example. Suppose we take the 15.75. So in this all numbers are non-zero. So here we have 4 significant figure. 178. So significant number is 3. 1.143 significant number is 4. Second rule is all zero occurring, the non-zero digits are significant. All zero occurring between the non-zero digits. Here we write all zero occurring between the non-zero digits are significant figure, like 401. So here 0 is also a significant number. So total number of significant figure is given by 3. 40056 significant number is 5. 100.07 significant number is 5. Third rule, all 0 to the right of the last non-zero digits are non-significant number. Example 20. So here this 0 comes after the non-zero on the right hand side, and then it has the significant number only the 1. 20350. This 0 is the significant number, but this 0 is not the significant number. So total significant number in this only 1, 2, 3, 4. 4. Next rule, all 0 to the right of a decimal point and to the left of a non-zero digit are not significant number. Example 0.04. So here only the significant number is 1. This 4. 0.0456. Here the significant number is 3, 4, 5 and 6. Right. Next, rule number 5. In rule number 5, all 0 to the right of a decimal point and to the right of a non-zero digit are the significant figure. Right. Example 0.20. So here this 2 and this 0 both are significant number. So significant number is 2. So 0.2370 significant figure 1, 2, 3, 4. So answer is 4. 2.23700. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. So significant number is 6. Now we take combined example for that. First example is 0.005. So significant number is 1. 0.2560. Significant number is 4. 5.003. These both 0 comes between the two non-zero digits. So 4. 2.63 into 10 raised to power 28. These are these are not significant number. Only the significant number is 3. 6.320. 4. 0.0006032. All 3 0 and this 0 is non-significant figure. So significant figure is only 6032. 4. This 0 is significant figure, but these zeros are non-significant figure. 200.05. So here significant figure is 5 because all 3 zeros comes between the non-zero numbers 1 to 500. So here the significant figure is 1, 2 and 5 only. So answer is 3. 1 to 5, 3. 0.08240. So significant number is only 4. 0.06900. So significant number is 4. Right. So all these are the example for the significant figure. Now we take addition and subtraction for the significant number. When we add or subtract any two digits or two number, then answer will come with the least significant number. Okay, so one number is 10.325 and other is 4.50. So here we have the 14.50. 8 2 5. This is the normal addition of these two number. But when we take the significance figure case, then least significant is here 4.50. In this we have three significant numbers, so answer will come with the significant number, and after the point we have the two significant number. So here the answer will come after the rounding off. ठीक है, तो राउंड ऑफ कैसे करेंगे आप? हेयर वी हैव द लास्ट डिजिट इज 5 एंड दिस नंबर इज 2. ओके, सो आंसर इज 14.82. This number will not increase by the 1. Okay, but in this case answer will come 14.835, and then after the rounding off answer will become 14.84. okay, यहाँ पर देखिए आंसर 0.82, यहाँ पर 0.84 हो गया. क्यों हुआ? बिकॉज हेयर वी हैव द 5, but before the 5 we have the even number, and if we have even number before the 5 then there will be no addition of the 1 on that number, but here we have odd number before the 5, so one digit will be add into this odd number. okay, so answer is 14.84. now here we have answer, common answer जो है वो आएगा आपका 36.1278, but after the point we have the least significant number is 3. okay, so after round off answer will become 36.128. okay, now the subtraction. In the subtraction this will become 3.3511, and then after the round off 3.351 क्यों लिया हमने? क्योंकि यहाँ पर देखिए जो लीस्ट सिग्निफिकेंट नंबर है आफ्टर द पॉइंट दिस इज द 3 एंड हेयर वी हैव 3.3511. ओके, सो we will find out the answer with the least significant, so this will come 3.351, and here we have 10.156. after round off here we have after the decimal only one significant figure, so we have 10.2. ठीक है, 1 यहाँ पर ऐड हो जाएगा बिकॉज आफ्टर दी 1 वी हैव दी 5 एंड 1 इज द ओड नंबर. ओके, सो हेयर 1 digit will be add into this odd number, so answer will come 10.2. now the multiplication and the divide. first case we take for the multiplication 1.26 into में 26, so answer normal answer will become 26.52, but the least significant number is 26, so answer is 26. Two significant figure, least significant figure is 2. okay, so we will go with the answer only for the two significant figure 26. in this significant figure least significant figure is 2, so answer 36, because here we have the 9, so one digit will be add into this. यहाँ पर आपका 1 ऐड नहीं हुआ 6 में, क्यों? बिकॉज 6 इज even number, so we will not add any one digit in this 6 digit, but here 5 is odd and this 9 is greater than 5, so here one digit is add into this 5. now in divide case 390 divided by 12.2, here least significant number is 2, 3 and 9. In this we have the 3 significant number, in this we have 2 significant number. So least significant figure is 2. So आंसर क्या आएगा आपका? आंसर विल बी 32, right? In this case least significant number is 2, so least significant figure is 2, so answer will come 55. ओके, यहाँ पर जो ये 6 है मोर देन 5 है, सो हेयर 1 डिजिट विल बी ऐड, आंसर विल बी 55. इसमें और आपका देखिए इसमें क्या अंतर है. यहाँ पर जो आंसर था ये, यहाँ पर क्या है आपका, ये 5 है, ठीक है. यहाँ पर आपका क्या है, ग्रेटर देन 5 है. ग्रेटर देन 5 अगर है तो उससे पहले वाले डिजिट में एक ऐड होगा ही होगा, इधर इट इज़ इवन और ओड. बट इफ इट इज 5 then we will see the number before the 5. If it is even then there will be no add of any one number to this digit. But if this is odd number like this, okay, then there will be addition of one digit, then answer will be here will come 14.84 and here 14.82, right? So this is the significant figure, very important topic for all the competitive exam. Okay, if you like this video then subscribe my channel. Thank you.